Each one, my fellow crafters, and welcome to the Origami Workshop. And today is episode number 10, making the longest running series on the Running with Crafts YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're still continuing the animal theme with our 2D projects, and this one is our 2D cat, with the 2D dog we covered a couple of episodes ago. So to regular viewers of our series, we've got our origami paper, 15 by 15 centimeters or 16 or 6 by 6 inches in old money. And to make our cat face, we turn our paper to diamond position, so just rotate it around like so, and then fold upwards to make a triangle like this. Make sure you match all the edges together, so this edge and that edge meet, and just run your finger along to get the bottom fold here. So once that step's done, we continue by, we then fold one of our corners of our triangle. We're going to start with the left hand one this time. We're going to fold that up, so the top point, see this top point of the triangle, just where I'm pointing here, that's got to meet the top here, so it will turn it into a kite shape, as I'll just show you in just a moment. So as you fold it up, what we're aiming for, as you see this, so you can really see it, you can just see what my fingernail is, that's where, that's roughly, yeah, so you see that's top point of this point of the triangle, this point here is going to meet the top there. So as it, I'll just show you again, so as it folds up, the top point will naturally gravitate towards the top of the triangle, like so. And to finish, we just repeat that on the right hand side as well, and that creates our, almost like a small square, or it could be a kite, could be a kite shape. So without further ado, now I'll give our cat some ears. So to create the ears, we just take one of the parts we folded just now. We're gonna fold it back on itself, like so. This one can be a bit on the fiddly side. So we want to fold it down just about halfway down. So we'll start on left. We fold it down, and that will fold down here. This will create the ears, and then fold that back on itself like so. Now I'm sure a lot of us are probably wondering, oh, it doesn't look like a cat face at the moment, but aha, I've thought of that too. So just turn the paper over, and now you can see our cat's got some ears. I think it comes in terms of pets. I'm probably more a cat person because I grew up with cats. As we've got 2 cats living here with us at the workshop, and many of our regular viewers will probably remember one of them sort of said hi to our viewers during one of our episodes of one of our series. It might have been this one, I think, but I'm not clear. But yeah, very much a cat person. So this project kind of fits in nicely with sort of my particular taste as well. So we need to give it a closer look. So now our cat's got some ears, we need to give it a nose. So we fold this part up here to create the nose, and then fold the other part back on itself, like that. And to give our cat some detailing, so it needs so we just need I've got a biro here just to give it some detailing. So give the cat a nose. yeah, definitely. It's always good to it's always good to give a little bit of detailing to these projects, including the 2D dog one we covered a couple of episodes back, which is off has similar detailing. So we've got the give him sort of mouth as well, and just shade the nose in. You can also use a pencil or a felt tip to do the detailing with the nose and the eyes. What we're doing in just a minute. Yes, now he has a nose, so he can smell. But how would he smell? Like he always does, terrible. That's an old joke from when I was an old joke from many years ago when I was younger. Just to readjust that flat for him. Before we crack any more bad jokes. And last but not least, we're going to fold this top triangle over to a cat sort of flatter head, because I don't think I've met many cats with a pointed head before. Pointed hat possibly, a witch's cap possibly, maybe would have a pointed head, but not any of the felines we see around here. So last but not least, to draw the eyes, so just draw one circle and then a second for the eyes, and just shade it in like that. Second eye, and shade it in. And so there we have it. We have one 2D cat face made in origami. Now, like the other 2D origami projects we covered in this series, the flower, the cross, 2D dog, and the cat one we've just done now, these can be used as embellishments for other projects as well, such as greetings cards or pictures, or you could even just put this anywhere. You can put this anywhere, and it can be made so many different things. So there's the possibilities are unlimitless with the 2D origami we've been showing you in this part of the series and beyond. So cat face finished. That's all we've got time for in this episode of Origami Workshop. Hope you're enjoying the series. If you're one of our regular viewers, and if you're one of our newer viewers to this series, you're welcome aboard, and hope you get a chance to look at some of the older episodes in the series and the newer ones that are coming up. So as always, if you're one of our regular subscribers and you've clicked the notification bell, you know the drill. Just wait for your uploads to come up. So we've that's fortnightly now, we're into the new year. And if you're not one of our regular subscribers, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button once this video is done. Click notification bell, and you'll be absolutely filled up to the brim with crafty ideas. Also, you can also follow us on our social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Handles for that are coming up at the end of this video. Also, follow us on Patreon, help support our work in the community. And last but not least, we have made some changes to the craft courses we're offering. At the moment, we're no longer offering craft courses through Class Bento. They'll be run directly through our website, which is our last port of call. In fact, our website www.runningwithcrafts.com. So you can access everything on our website. You can see our work in the community. You can access our Patreon page, Google My Business. All our social media channels can be accessed through our website, and also you can access this channel. In addition to that, you can also book courses via Zoom or in person through our website. The list of different projects and activities being advertised will be on the home page. Just click the courses booking part on the home page, and we can book you in for face-to-face craft courses or Zoom, helping the world to reconnect after the COVID pandemic. And also, don't forget, we'll be doing various events in the community throughout the spring and the summer. We've got our new market stalls, dates and locations will be on the website as and when they're confirmed. Dates for courses can also be found on the website, along with also our online shop as well. So just click online shop on the home page, and that'll take you to a link for our online shop in association with our partner SumUp. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay crafty, and sayonara for now.